now. He's going up another notch.
I guess we're not going to tell Paulette about this.
No.
Okay.
Because she would
she'll
be
out of here beating the hell out of him.
snake.
She'd have to move. Ooh, there went a little lizard up there. Look out, little lizard. Eat your tail.
That might be what he's after.
Yeah. Well, I'll tell you what, yo snake, there's a whole bunch of them down here in the weeds. It's a lot easier.
We'll put this on YouTube.
Yeah.
It might be what he's going after.
Yeah, I think so. That's amazing how he can hang on like that.
It is. It really is.
There's a little lizard, like I said, on the panel. It's on the
Yep.
top panel
Yep.
on the right-hand side.
There's one down here and there's one up there. And he's looking for lunch.
Well, he's got to be a little quicker.
Yeah.
Because, well, just a big old lizard. It's okay. You don't have to hide.
Yeah.
He's going to fall down onto
Yeah.
there. Darling, you're nowhere near as fast as this lizard.
I never would thought
Wow,
they
that's
could
high up.
could climb the wall like this.
Well, I was working at a vet one day, and there was one up, they had like an overhang like that. And he was up on the overhang. The only way to get up there was climb, and that's all chain link fence around.
Yeah.
Better not get over there. Spidey's bite you.